everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly exciting to talk about. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block. This is a car that blends classic American muscle with modern performance, technology, and design. Whether you're a muscle car enthusiast or someone just looking to learn more about this incredible machine, you're in for a treat. Let's dive into the details of the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of the 2025 Chevelle 555 Big Block. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevelle 555 Big Block pays homage to its iconic roots while integrating a more modern and aggressive design. The bold, muscular lines are still present, but Chevrolet has refined the bodywork to give it a sharper, more aerodynamic look. The front grille is unmistakably Chevy, featuring that classic wide stance with LED headlights that carry a sleek and futuristic touch. The hood has a prominent, functional air scoop that not only enhances the car's performance, but also adds to its striking presence on the road. The body is complemented by wide, aggressive fender flares, and the car sits on huge 20-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance rubber. The 555 Big Block has a perfect balance between vintage charm and cutting-edge design, with subtle nods to the Chevelle's muscle car history while offering a modern stance. Moving on to the interior, stepping inside the 2025 Chevelle 555 Big Block, you're immediately greeted with a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern luxury. The cabin features high-quality materials, including leather upholstery with contrast stitching that gives it a high-end feel. The dashboard is sleek, with a digital display behind the wheel, replacing the old analog dials. But with a retro twist, it's easy to see the influence of the original Chevelle in the design. The center console houses a large touchscreen with Chevy's latest infotainment system, which includes smartphone integration, navigation, and premium audio options. The controls for climate, media, and performance settings are intuitively placed, with a nice blend of physical buttons and touch-sensitive surfaces. Even though it has a modern flair, the 2025 Chevelle still retains the feeling of being in a true muscle car, especially with the options for bucket seats and a center console shifter. There's ample legroom, and the rear seats provide enough comfort for adults on shorter trips, which was often a complaint with older muscle cars. Now let's talk about the performance, because that's really what makes the 555 Big Block stand out. Under the hood, this car is powered by a massive 555 cubic inch V8 engine, which produces an exhilarating 700 horsepower and 650 lv-ft of torque. The power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual or optional 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you the choice of a more engaging driving experience or the ease of modern driving convenience. With this kind of power, acceleration is nothing short of incredible. It can go from 0 to 60 mph in just about 3.5 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a car that carries so much heritage. The handling is improved thanks to a sport-tuned suspension and upgraded brakes, allowing you to take corners with confidence without sacrificing straight-line speed. The exhaust note is deep and throaty, offering that unmistakable muscle car rumble that you'll want to turn up as you drive by. For performance enthusiasts, the Chevelle 555 Big Block also comes equipped with various driving modes, including a track mode for those who want to push the car to its limits on the racetrack. The car's stability control system is designed to provide maximum control, even when you're taking it to the drag strip or just enjoying a scenic drive. This car will put a smile on your face every time you hit the gas. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block isn't exactly cheap, but when you consider the level of performance, technology, and craftsmanship, it offers great value for a muscle car of this caliber. The base model starts around $75,000, and if you go for the fully loaded version with all the performance packages and luxury options, the price can rise to about $85,000. This is on par with some of its competitors in the high-performance muscle car market, and considering the Chevelle's history and the raw power under the hood, it's a price that many enthusiasts are willing to pay. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block is an incredible blend of classic muscle car appeal and modern performance and design. It has the power, style, and features to make it a standout in today's market, while still paying tribute to the legendary Chevelle that fans have loved for decades. Whether you're looking for a car that delivers exhilarating performance, striking looks, or a luxurious interior, the Chevelle 555 Big Block delivers in every aspect. So, if you're in the market for a muscle car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at, this is one you definitely want to check out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block. Would you take one home? See you in the next video.